Okay, sorry. Welcome back. Same day, Monday, February 24th. Gonna try and do like a 1 or 2 minute tool review here quick. This is something I've been wanting for a long time. Walked into Advance today to check on that track bar for Project Bumble Jeep, and I saw these sitting there. They were $10. So here we go. See if I can turn this around without shutting you off again. All right, I got it in my hand here. There you go. Anybody tell me what that is? That is there you go. That's a little butane torch. I've been wanting one of these forever. And why I want one is because I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but when I worked at the last place, I did all of the trailer hitch installs, brake controller installs, basically anything that had to do with wiring, that was me. So I used to have to borrow a lighter from one of the guys in the shop that smoked to do the shrink tube over the connections, because you want to keep it waterproof and you want it to be serviceable and keep the customer happy as long as possible. And one thing that a lot of guys don't do when they're doing wiring jobs like that, especially wiring harness that tacks in or uses the piggyback connectors, is seal it. And that's the first place where the moisture is going to get, and that's where your connection is going to go bad, and that's what's going to give you problems. So I used a lot of black tape, wrapped them up. I tried to get them as watertight as I can, but at the end of the day, black tape over a wiring connection is not going to be waterproof in the long term. So I've bought several heat shrink tube kits over the years, mostly from like Harbor Freight. I think I bought one off of Amazon once, and it gives you an assortment of different size shrink tube, but none of them came with a torch. So this is a nice tool. Okay. Fire. So it has a lock on it. You can actually lock that on. Has a little flame height adjuster. It's got a little, if you're setting it up on a bench, you can lock it, and it's got a little prop so you can do your soldering and your shrink tube and just hold it through the flame and done. And then the other thing it has, which doesn't mean anything to me, but it might be nice for some of you guys, is that little feature right there. That is a bottle opener. Wow. Just in case your favorite beverage doesn't come with a twist off cap. Sorry, I know guys that drink many adult beverages out of the bottle, and in spite of the fact that most of them come with a twist off cap nowadays, they still pop them. So anyhow, that's my 2 minute 3.5 minute tool review. Like, subscribe, share. You'll see me in the next one. God bless.